sourcing human tissue samples for biological investigations has become increasingly difficult. Although they are ethically obtained through organ donation or surgical procedures, a limited supply of specific sizes and types of tissue samples is needed for research. This has led to the emergence of 3D bioprinting technology. However, the high cost of bioprinters limits access for many researchers. Engineers and biologists built an affordable 3D bioprinter using standard Lego bricks and Lego Mindstorms to address this issue, achieving the required precision to produce delicate biological material. The team has provided instructions on how to reconstruct the device in any lab worldwide, offering an open-source, accessible, and affordable alternative to an essential piece of equipment beyond the budgets of most researchers. Ultimately, the Lego Bioprinter is aimed at enabling groundbreaking research that will improve human health by enhancing our understanding of biology.